Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very interesting setup here going forward, as there's a couple very well-defined technical areas, and when levels are very well-defined, that means a lot of people have noticed them, and when a lot of people have noticed the same levels and are going to be watching them, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can certainly produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what we have with a couple of these areas here. And the first area that myself, and I'm sure a lot of other people are going to be watching, rightfully so, is going to be this area of support right here at the 150.50 mark. Meaning if the price, and like I said, nothing is guaranteed, so I don't want to come across like that. But my point here is that this is a more than valid and plausible thought process to have, that if the price were to come down into 150.50 and then break down through it, that break in and of itself could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Now, not in the sense where this thing's going back to 140 or something like that, but just from a trading standpoint, it would not be shocking at all to see, some downwards momentum come in and carry it potentially down lower to at least this gap close location, which sits right down here around the 149 mark. So keep an eye on these couple of levels going forward. Now, if the price breaks down through 150.50 and then 149, at that point, I'm not saying the price is going down to 142, but that does open up, in my opinion, at least the gate some more downside momentum. So definitely keep an eye on those couple of supports to watch moving forward. Now, in the event the price tries to bounce back up, the other level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching, so every breakout player and their brother's uncle is going to be watching up here at 155. Again, no, nothing's guaranteed, but same principle, same logic. It's a more than valid thought to have that if the price can work its way up to that area and then get the break of it, that break in and of itself could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So that's certainly going to be another key technical level that you're going to want to watch closely. But all in all, eventful day today, very nice setup, but let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.